In this video, we are going to learn about hardware and their parts in brief. So let's start. First of all, we will know what is hardware. The physical parts of a computer that you can touch and feel are called hardware. Computer hardware consists of all the input, processing, output and storage devices. The connectors such as wires, cables, switches, etc. are also included in this category. Let's see hardware parts. Hardware is classified into 4 parts. First one is input devices. The parts which are used to give input to the computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone, etc. Second one is processing device. The processing device of computer is called CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Third one is output devices. Output devices are used to display the data that we input into a computer and the results which we get after processing. For example, monitor, speaker, printer, etc. Fourth one is storage devices. Storage devices are used to store the data and instructions entered into the computer are called storage devices. For example, hard disk, CD or DVD-ROM, pen drive, etc. Guys, in this video, we have understood about hardware and their parts. Guys, if you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.